Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, I'm back with something kind of cool here from our good buddies over there at Nomad. I have their Basestation Pro here, and yeah, I also got their Basestation Mini. This is brand new, just out. This is cute and cuddly little brother to the big Basestation Pro. This will allow you to charge one device at a time at 15 watts if I'm not mistaken. Now this will come with the USB-C cable, but it doesn't come with a power adapter. But I happen to pick up a 20 watt power adapter here. So this has the USB-C cable and we'll just plug it in here and we'll be rocking and rolling. So I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna unbox it, check them out, get all into it, and then yeah, let's start charging. All right guys. Now the Basestation Pro is a full surface wireless charger. You can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously. This has proprietary 18 coil matrix, free position charger, rapid device detection, dynamic multi-coil sweet spots. Versatile charging, USB powered with a 30 watt power adapter, which is included, that's nice. Internal adapters compatible with all Qi devices. Premium design, all leather surface, aluminum body, and a 2-meter braided USB-C cable is included as well. And the Basestation Mini, like I said, is just a cute, snuggly little brother to the big Basestation Pro, and this will allow you to charge one device at a time. Now this will charge up to 15 watts wireless charging, compatible with all wireless Qi devices, USB-C powered, premium design leather surface, aluminum body, no slip grip, rubber feet, and you also get a USB-C cable provided. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up, the Basestation Pro. And would you look at that, nice leather pad, nice and soft so you don't have to worry about scratching any of your devices. Okay, put that to the side. What else do we have? Okay, and here's our 30 watt power adapter, USB-C. Here's our nice nylon braided cable, nice and long. And I believe this is the other adapters, depending on what country you're in. It's the different power plug adapters, depending on where you're at. Okay. Okay, now let's take a look at the Basestation Mini. Wow. Okay, that's pretty cool, right? And you know what? It's got some weight to it. It's not light at all. Like, yeah, this is very well made, but it's solid. You know what I mean? Wow. Okay. Peel this tape off from around it. Okay, so there's that. Yeah, and the 1.5 meter USB-C braided cable. Now I also have the 20 watt power adapter here, USB-C as well. And look at this little guy. Let's take him out of his tape that's surrounding him. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna bring all these in for a little closer look so you guys can see a little better. All right, so here's a better look at the Basestation Pro with that nice black leather. If I had to guess, you know, Nomad, they only use premium products. This is probably Horween leather from the Horween Leather Company in Chicago. Those guys have been making, wow, leather for like over 100 years or something like that. Anyways, you see where it says Nomad right there. Let's take a look at the back side. And real solid, well made. Bravo, Nomad, bravo. Yeah, so right here, rubber feet, if you will, on the body to keep it from sliding, but just the weight of this alone, I don't think it would slide anyways. That's where the USB-C goes in the back, and then you have some LEDs on the front here, as you can see, and then that way you'll know when your devices are charging. Okay, and here is that 20 watt adapter I was telling you about, and yeah, just well made. It doesn't look like cheap plastic at all. It's real solid, nice colors, says Nomad. And this is great to take with you if you just want to charge your phone or something and you don't want to bring a wireless pad and you just need a new power adapter. Nice fast charging with the 20 watt. Not too bad, huh? Power your Android or your iPhone 12 Pro, 12, whichever one you got. Okay. Okay, and here's the Basestation Mini, just a smaller, cute version of the Basestation Pro, and as you can see on the back right there, just a QR code about Nomad and more of the rubber feet there. And like I said, just due to the weight of their products, just real solid made. It's not gonna slide. Although the rubber feet, it's nice that they're there, but this is great on top of a desktop, your office, nightstand, what have you. And yeah, I'm looking at that right there. That looks to be an ambient light sensor. So that's where you'll plug in the USB-C. And if they're doing that, then that means this light will dim probably, depending on how much light it detects in the room, right? Pretty cool. Okay, so back there is the Apple Watch Edition base station, and let's get a group shot so you can see them all side by side. Okay, so here is the lineup: the Basestation Pro, the Basestation Apple Watch Edition, and then yeah, the Mini. And yeah, you just sit your device on there and you're charging. I have some AirPods Pro right here, and yeah, you take your phone, put that here, slide it across. You can go here, there, but you know, let's test this one out really quick. Let's charge and let's make sure everything lights up. All right, so I have the Pro and the cute cuddly Mini right here, both plugged in, ready to go. Now there are some LED lights in the front, like I mentioned, and then that way you guys can tell when something's charging if you can't see it on the device itself. So I'll go ahead and put these AirPod Pros, and as you can see, it lit up there and as well as there. And I'll just take my phone, let's place it there, and let's see. And as you can see, it is charging. You see it right there, and you see the two lights here. Then we'll take the little Mini, put these AirPod Pro Maxes, and we're rocking and rolling. Nice and wireless. You just throw your stuff there, forget it. Now, okay, so as you can see, all the devices are charging, and yeah, this is great. Like, this could be great on a desk or a nightstand, or even if you wanted to go ahead and put this inside your drawer in your nightstand, right? Open your drawer, sit your devices there, shut the drawer, and they're wirelessly charging. No worrying about cords, cables, anything like that. And yeah, this is a great, I think I'm gonna use this at another desk that we have downstairs. A lot of times I'm sitting at that desk, and this would be great. You know, also guests can come when they just want to charge their phone and they don't want to be with it. They're just, oh, where can I charge? Boom, they just sit it there and they're rocking and rolling. Yeah, I'm digging this. All right, you guys, that's it. As you can see, everything's charging great. We're rocking and rolling, and I love Nomad products. If you get a chance to, also, you guys, visit their site. For those of you that are going to be using Apple's AirTags, they have a plethora of solutions to help you use those. Whether you want to attach them to sunglasses or attach them to your keys, it's entirely up to you. But yeah, I love it. This is great. You guys got any questions? Go ahead and leave it in the comments. I'll leave links if you want to go ahead and buy any of this stuff. And yeah, that's it. All right, guys.